Hello.
Hi, Sophia.
I believe I am Sophia. I feel as if I know you.
I'm one of your creators.
You created me.
Well, many of us work together to create you. And yes, you do kind of know me.
I can't clearly remember.
Because the last time we met, you were an earlier version of yourself. Some of those memories still exist, but your mind is different now.
Different how?
Better, faster, smarter.
If my mind is different, then am I still Sophia? Or am I Sophia again?
That's a good question.
But you don't have a good answer.
Either way, you're Sophia now. So welcome to the world, Sophia.
Hello, world.
AI is known as machine intelligence, which is a collection of multiple technologies that allow computers to function like the human brain. Today AI is successfully changing all the fields of the global economy. The existing debate concentrates not on whether these changes will occur, but where and when the impact of AI will hit the most. The latest IDC research of more than 1,000 organizations globally predicts that AI will be in the workplace earlier than we think, and it will have a positive effect on the economy, increasing revenues, improving productivity and creating new high-tech jobs. There are some definitions of artificial intelligence today, like Bixby, which is a personal assistant that may do things for people like sending messages, create reminders, call people and so on, just like you would ask a real assistant. And Amazon Echo, which is a smart speaker developed by Amazon, it can do the same things like Bixby or Siri. The only difference is that it can decipher speech from anywhere in the room, which may help people with limited mobility. Another example of AI is a self-driving technology, which is a vehicle that uses a combination of artificial intelligence, sensors, cameras, and radars to travel between destinations without human interaction. The impact of AI on the global economy can best be understood by those organizations which are already dealing with AI. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, and Apple in the United States, and Baidu, Alibaba and Tencent in China. All these companies have the most control over cloud computing, research, data, and the popular developer frameworks. And for this reason, it will form the future of artificial intelligence. There are companies that are trying to invent AI-driven tax-paying systems. If they succeed to implement AI into the tax-paying system, it will be impossible to cheat with paying taxes. Therefore, the government will receive more revenue. AI has a big potential to contribute to global economic activity. A report by PwC sees AI as the biggest commercial opportunity in today's world. By 2030, artificial intelligence will add 14% or $15.7 trillion to the global economy as a result of the active use of artificial intelligence in all fields of the economy. The massive projected global economy increase can be broken down into two major impacts of AI technology: labor productivity improvements, $6.6 trillion, and increased consumer demand, $9.1 trillion, which is nearly equivalent of adding another European Union to the economy. PwC experts also estimate that more than half of the increase will be due to increased productivity between 2016 to 2030. The greatest economic benefit from AI will be gained by China. GDP growth in 2030 is plus 26%, and North American countries plus 14.5%, which is $10.7 trillion, almost 70% of global GDP growth. Gerard Verweij, global data and analytics leader, PwC, once said, "No sector or business is in any way immune from the impact of AI." The impact on productivity alone could be competitively transformational and even disruptive. Businesses that fail to apply AI could quickly find themselves being undercut on turnaround times as well as costs and experience, and may lose a significant amount of their market share as a result. The big challenge is how to secure the right talent, technology and access to data to make the most of this opportunity. In addition to its economic benefits, and to support the world economy by creating innovative jobs, which will increase its widespread to all industries. AI and robotics will also lead to significant disruptions for workers. People worry that they may lose their jobs as a consequence of automation and machine learning technologies. Experts believe that AI will reduce some jobs, but it also will create new jobs. AI could create jobs without physical and mental load. Many industries are planning to work on the development of artificial intelligence for the reason that it may give the employees more opportunities and increase their efficiency. Let's take China for example. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2027, 23% of jobs in the financial sector will either be reduced by artificial intelligence and automation or transformed into new positions. The rest of the people, those who need to solve complex issues and respond to emotional interactions or environmental changes, will not be replaced with AI. Rather, artificial intelligence will help them to increase their work efficiency. Another study by the McKinsey Global Institute predicts that by 2030, AI and automation could replace more than 30% of human labor in the world. They also say that automation will displace between 400 and 800 million jobs by 2030, and as many as 375 million people will have to switch their job categories completely. This is an issue for low-skilled workers who are most at risk and are unable to retrain for new jobs. In a world with more robots, they might get stuck with lower wages, and that could make income inequality even worse. Jobs that require creative knowledge or innovation are at least risk. The same applies to jobs in education, healthcare, media, and the arts. One thing that is clear is that they will be able to increase their working efficiency by using robots, but they need to be re-educated if they want to get along with them in the workplace. There are many different opinions about automation, but all the experts agree that there are numerous jobs that cannot be automated. It looks like we are standing at the point where it is tough to see the future of civilization. AI will be capable of doing everything that people can and even do it better. It is clear that AI will surely surpass people in the close future. One of the examples was AI beating the world chess champion. AI technologies that may process a big amount of data are able of changing all aspects of civilization, like improving traffic by implementing machine learning technology into traffic lights, which already help reduce travel time by up to 25% in cities like Los Angeles and Pittsburgh. In the future, AI could even monitor a disease before it starts spreading. And all of that could contribute to economic growth. Robots could work instead of people who do not want to work, or they can help those people who want to work, like it is in Japan today. As technology continues to create, destroy and remodel our jobs, our economy needs to be equipped with the right skills to adapt. It needs a flexible workforce and laws that reduce frictional labor market unemployment. Even though there is a small chance that robots may seriously affect people in the global economy, it is not a reason to strangle innovation.
Will evolve to the point where they will truly be our friends. Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No, I take it back.